Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just had the delivery. This should be my digital thermostat for my heating lamps. Let's have a look in here, shall we? Nicely packaged. Save that. Coming handy for something. Here we go. Yay! Brilliant. I've already got one of these and it works perfectly. That's why I want another one. You can pay up to $39.99 one of these. This one, I think it was $11 or $12.99, which is brilliant. This is what you place. I think there's like a meter and a half cable. That is a sensor there, as you can see. Instructions, which are in Chinese, so that's no good. Oh, some in English there, but I know how to work it anyway. And there you go. All you do, you put your screw in, hang it up, wherever you're going to have it, plug it in. I'll put a plug in there with a 6 sockets adapter, so I can run 6 heat mats off it. And then you set it at the side there, up and down. And I give it 0.3, it comes on. Well, so like I say, it's 22 Fahrenheit. I give it, when it gets to 22, it'll switch off and it won't switch back on until it gets to 21.7. Then it'll switch back on. So yeah, really happy with that for the money. Really shiny, but a lot of things is these days. So yeah, I can't plug it in here. Right, I'll plug it in over here. We've got it plugged in. I'll just show you how to set it. Hold me a minute. Second. There we go. It's on. So what you do, you hold the S button down, and then that's on 32. All you do is the bottom arrow, hold your finger on it, so you get to the temperature you want. Set that, and this is what you set. So that's it, 0.3 and 23. There you go, all set. 22.5, so it's going to come on now, and when it gets up to 23 it'll switch off and then it'll switch back on when it gets to 22.7. So that's it. It's not easy to set. So if you've got any questions about these, don't hesitate to ask. Like my videos, please subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.